Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kat hadu menta, kejela Meghalaya Kampat dan Satya watang weiru ubayo ya kejingpang coronavirus. Hadin beladap tes hadu shispa arpulai ngot kinong snong kibawan nabar jong kejela. Ya kanela pentikena do sembot Menteri Rangba kejela uba Preston Tensong. Ha kejikren bat kinong patai kubor ha ka khandai terik menta benaya yong arajar arpo. Komba kalong menta ke sorkar jela kala betha iki bor sencar jong ke distrik baper bakin perking ya ke rong kami jong ki pajba. Bat la betharu iki bor penyat snong bakin petep siki bor sorkar. Lada don kinu-kinu ki jingja ha ki snong ki tau jong ki. Kat hadu menta ke sorkar kala dapat kret luparu ya ki Corona Care Center haki likely ki jaka hakanong ba Shillong bakan top ya kawai ha IAM Shillong kawai ha keslam trekam jong kamati kabaran ha mauding diang Shillong bat ke balai pat kedai ha sortura kata ha Pastoral Center jong ke SMELC nakalian jong ke sorkar hadu menta kala ajinga daru hadu arhajar sispa ngot tam kinong belasngi ki basakun haki distrik baper jong ke jela yake ba ke sorkar kala betha lengba ki deputy commissioner bakin chimkia ban penbiang ya ke jakasa bat ya kabam kadi bat iki dawai dashen na kebenta jongki tak hadu bandakot ke jingkhang dam ya keri India barak kawai hadu ka khatsau trek ubnaya yong munta usnam arajar arpho.
As far as the preparation that we need from the government side to each and every citizens of the state, and today I would like to inform you that the samples tested was 111, and the result was sample tested positive is 0 till today. Okay, 111 tested and positive is 0. That is number one. Then number two, still government is fully prepared. I'm telling you, the government right now is fully prepared in case of any eventuality. So we do have our centers, as we have already told you. One is IIM Shillong, number two is Mati Maudiam, number three is MIIT Dhanketi, number 4 is Pastoral Center Tura, and then number 5 is SMELC Tura. Okay. SMELC Tura. I don't know.
It's called smell.
Smell. SMELC Tura. I think still we are not complacent. We are not complacent just because we don't have even a single case of this disease. We are not at all complacent, but I think you will be known very soon. Maybe by next week, Cabinet will sit again. So we will review it accordingly. If need be, we can continue the lockdown, maybe till the end of the month. But if need be, yes, if need be, okay? But that decision will be taken by the Cabinet again sometimes next week. In general, in fact, from the government, we keep requesting all concerns. Here we are facing the crisis, and the crisis is for all of us. So we would request all the concerned citizens, be it landlord, be it tenants, please help each other.
Different places. One is that we have in civil hospital, we have private wards are there, but we are actually going to use them while actually they are treating the COVID patients. After treatment, after that, when they actually go back, there is a quarantine period, again another 14 days. For that, actually we have been identifying different other places, separate blocks within the Corona Care Centers, which actually can be kept for the healthcare workers, and also some hotels are also being requisitioned. The if you have, in fact, our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has mentioned to you, 111 cases have been tested. And generally the procedure is like when they go for a testing, we keep them for a quarantine for a day till the test comes positive. So that's again a protocol that we are insisting. In fact, initially, they were going back home, but we thought like that was not a good practice. So we put a system now. Those who are actually going for a testing, they have to stay in a quarantine within the hospital premises. There is a separate isolation beds have been kept. So they are staying there only for a quarantine. And that's 111 number. In addition to that, as in fact I mentioned to you earlier also, there is a people who have come from China from 24th January. We put a system. Around 70 people were put for 28 days during that initial period. And after that, when this particular this entire COVID has broke out in India, in other parts of the country. So then actually we have been insisting for a home quarantine. Over closely 4,000 people were kept under home quarantine during this period. They have undergone. In fact, as on today, there are 8 people. Because those 8 people, samples were taken yesterday, and today the results will come by evening.
And how many have completed the quarantine period?
I think
This is, as I said, like the 4,000 people.
more than 4,000.
Yeah, more than.
More than
They have
4,000.
completed.
They completed.
The 14 days at home quarantine, that's what we have insisted.
These 80 people, where are they quarantined as of today? Where are they?
8 people in a different places, like it's some
80 did you say so?
8 people.
8 people.
Hospital, some in Negreens, like that, wherever they come for testing, they are kept there only till the test results come.
So one more question, did they voluntarily come for
Yes.
forward for testing or you
So
out them out?
there is basically most of we have a surveillance system, as I said, like these 111 people. So when they are identified through a surveillance system, mostly surveillance system is like that. There is a calls. We make the calls every day. We are making calls to them, and somebody says that we have some symptoms like I have a fever, cough. Then actually we are examining them. Wherever there is a need, we are asking them to come for a test, and we facilitate that entire sample collection and keep them under quarantine, and the tests are being done. This is the procedure. It's under process. We are actually getting all the approvals and all, but the machinery has been already mobilized. So we are in the process of actually getting all those approvals, reagents. It may take another a week, but we have the machinery, and we are actually in the process of taking that entire setup. We also have to build certain infrastructure in Tura Civil Hospital. That is also in the process.
Issued. Advisories has been issued already. We have already requested, as I said to you, every press conference I've given, I think I keep requesting people. So as I said to you, we have already directed all the district administration, all the disease concerns to take up this matter, and then please make sure that anybody should also be given a space of living peacefully. Those migrant workers, laborers, government has provided shelter. It's about 2,100 plus in different locations. 2,100 plus. So we provided shelter as well as food, as well as paramedical staff teams are always there to monitor their health condition. Okay.
How many shelters are there?
We have in East Castles 7. Then we have in West Janty Hills 1, East Janty Hills 3, Southwest Castles 1, East Garo Hills 1, North Garo Hills 2, Ribhoi 2, West Garo Hills 8. Whether homeless or workers, laborers or migrant workers, it is being included here itself.
What about the street children?
Street children, yeah, that also has been taken care of, and I think maximum are there in Pulu. Okay, maximum are there in Pulu. In the last cabinet, again, I've already briefed about those students, and then not only students, even working men, women, boys and girls working outside the state. Okay? Because that day we discussed very thoroughly. And still, some section they said, please allow us to come back at the earliest possible. But through you, I would like to request all the relative, the parents of those students or your relative, your brothers, sisters staying outside Meghalaya till 30th of April, just stay back in your places. Please don't come back. Why we say that? In case if you have to come back, you will not be able to reach home directly. You have to be quarantined 14 days wherever the designated places created by the health department. Wherever. So we have to keep them there. So instead of doing that, it is easier for them to be, to be there wherever you are. Then let us see after 30th of April. So I would like to request again through all of you, kindly send this message. Let them cooperate with the government. We are almost crossing the bridge. We are almost crossing the bridge. Kindly bear with us. We know the pain that you have, but still I would request all of them, kindly stay back where you are for your safety and then for the safety of your relative and the state of Meghalaya as a whole. All the states, with the concerned states, wherever they are, our chief secretary is in touch with his counterpart. In case if they have any problem, they can easily call our people, our team here, and any difficulties, any hardship that they are facing, it will be attended to. We did not detail everything, but I'm telling you the detailed instruction has been given to all the respective deputy commissioners. Depending upon the situation, depending upon the local issues that we have, especially in the interstate border like Assam, Meghalaya, even I personally feel that we have to still discourage of having a local market. Okay, but that I can't say anything right now because we have already asked the respective deputy commissioners to utilize their wisdom properly, and we are not at all compromising the safety, health of our people in the state just because of the weekly market. Okay, I make it clear. Let me make you very clear, and the government is not at all compromising with this operation that we are fighting till this moment.